Hey everyone, hope everyone is doing good. Today we are gonna make egg 65. For this I have taken 4 eggs and I have boiled them. Then cut the eggs into 2 halves like this. Then take a bowl and add some chili powder. I am adding 4 teaspoons of chili powders. Then I am adding some salt. Little bit of oil, and finally pour some water and mix it well. Mix it well until you reach this state. It should not be so watery or kind of a thick paste. Now I am going to dip the egg pieces into the masala paste and I am going to transfer it to another bowl. I am going to leave the marinated egg for 15 to 20 minutes so that the chili powder will nicely blend with the eggs. Now take a pan and pour some oil in it. After the oil is completely heated, I am adding the nicely chopped garlics. Fry the garlic little bit. After that, now I am going to add the egg which is marinated with the masalas. Cook both sides of the egg properly. Don't cook the egg for a long time because when you cook the egg for a long time, it won't be soft, rather it will become rubbery. After the egg is perfectly fried, transfer it to a plate or a bowl. And finally, I am adding some chopped curry leaves and we are ready with our egg 65. This will be a perfect side dish for any rice and gravy. Enjoy this food with your family and friends and be safe. Thank you.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஃபேக்ட் பூமர் சேனலை லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. கூடவே அந்த பெல் பட்டனையும் தட்டிடுங்க.